Hello and welcome. So, how do you make a spinning logo for Shopify? It's going to be really quick. So, just bear with me on this one. So, in general, you're going to need to click that. And also, we need a logo maker here, free one. So, 3D, just search this one, 3D GIF maker. It's free. So, once you're here, you could upload an image here that you'd like to animate. I'd like to click on this one. Let's just use a dummy image for an example as for reference here, just for the sake of the video, educational, so that you guys can know how to start from here. Okay, let's just use this one. It's an image, and just click upload image, and that'll be your spinning GIF right here. So download this one. It'll be on your system. And you can customize this, by the way. You can see these options on the side, like sizes, speed. Now that we're here, upload the photo that you just created, and that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to create the spinning logo. You can do this with words here, like the first name, last name, and that's just it. That's how fast and convenient this is. So if you follow step by step, they'll guide you through it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is educational for you guys. Click here to save, and that's just it. You're now having this spinning logo over here. Thank you for watching, guys, and you guys have a nice day. Enjoy.